this is Dr. Pebanwo right here with one of my young buddies, Toby Okunuga, who is coming up with his major project for network marketers. It's a humongous package that is going to be helping network marketers, your clients, to basically kick ass within a few weeks or months into any opportunity. But let me ask Toby, what exactly is this MLM Rockstar Manifesto about?
It's an underground blueprint for successful network marketers. Now, this blueprint contains step-by-step guide on how newbies can recruit people easily into their business. It contains tools, tips, strategies that they can use to grow their business within 90 days. Your clients will learn 10 major mistakes that newbies make and how they can avoid it, and a lot of amazing secret blueprints that they've never ever heard about.
Wow. Well, I've seen the package, and I can tell you it absolutely flat out works. As somebody who has been in digital marketing before myself, this is absolutely amazing. I want to encourage you to help us promote this. We are going to be going to launch on the date on our JV page, which is MLM-Rockstars.net/JV. You're going to see the full details for our affiliates there. We've got over $3,700 in bonuses that are available, in prizes that are available for our affiliates. We've got professionally written swipes. We've got banners for you to promote this. And we know this will absolutely rock for your list and for your clients. And then we pay 50% across the board. And we know this will be a worthwhile promotion for you. I will look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard. We are here for you. Anything you need, details on how to contact me or Toby 24/7 is there. We've got a support team ready to service your clients as they buy this. So let's make it a successful launch as we go for the MLM Rockstars Blueprint, and we're counting on you to be on the leaderboard.